Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, security system, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.